All right, we have been living the evolution of coronavirus, right? New variants triggering more infections around the world, and almost 2 years into the pandemic, there is still no clear end in sight for COVID. Joining us live right now is infectious disease specialist Dr. Suman Radhakrishna. Thank you so much for joining us on this New Year's Eve.
Thank you for having me.
Well, let's talk about it, right? We're heading into 2022. What can we expect in the new year?
We're going to see a surge, and the holidays are not yet over. So anyone who might congregate today or this weekend is at risk for getting COVID, and they're probably going to test positive within the next week. And if symptoms worsen, then the hospitals are going to see a surge in about 2 weeks after that.
So then it should be no surprise to you then, right? The LA County's latest COVID numbers. We'll get to those right now. Today, the county reported over 27,000 cases, but deaths are still significantly lower than what we saw last year. What's your take from these numbers?
We have also gotten smarter in terms of combating against COVID. The first thing is this December, we have more number of people vaccinated as opposed to last year when it was just starting to roll out. We are able to test people better now. There are many more testing sites that people can go to get themselves tested. And everyone knows what to watch out for in terms of symptoms and then go get themselves tested. So these are some of the things. The last is Delta was much, much more serious in terms of causing lung problems. Omicron so far seems to be a little bit milder. You really don't want to get infected, period. But given a choice, I guess Omicron is a better option, but no one should be getting infected.
That's for sure. Well, vaccines and some new medications, they became available in 2021. Do you find that there might be some other advancements that we can look forward to that are similar to these in the next year?
We have better understanding. We have a milder variant that is starting to become rampant. So we're hoping that with testing, vaccination, and the medications that can be taken at home in pill form, we should be able to get this under control.
Well, do you have any advice for us as we head into the New Year's on how we should sort of prepare and take care of ourselves?
If you've not been vaccinated, get vaccinated. If you've, it's been 6 months since you got vaccinated, get the booster. When in doubt, and there are large crowds, just avoid going there. If you're not feeling well for whatever reason, regardless of what the test shows, quarantine yourself. And most importantly, stay safe, wear a mask, social distance.
All right. Well, Dr. Suman Radhakrishna, we really appreciate your expertise, and we hope that you and your family have a very happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you and your viewers as well.